Hey there everyone, back again with another video. And in my previous video, if you have seen, you can relate that I have talked about to how we can create the chat page of our Telegram clone app. Okay, and you can see that what we have done is that we have created a route for our page. And let me click on any of the any of the user. Come on, why it is not, yeah, okay, so you can see that we have a list of messages, we have some icons, and we have a text field, and we have one icon also. Okay, so today what we are gonna do, we are gonna add some of the styling in this chat page. Okay, so what we will do, and you can see that we have added uh, chat bubble in my application. I think it is in this part. Yeah, you can see that yesterday I was not able to explain you what it is, so today I will explain you what about this. Okay, so what we will do in this, every even number of the message will be from user, and sorry, will be from the sender, and every odd number will be from uh, current user. Okay, you can just play with the setting and all this stuff, but I'm gonna just show you the how uh, UI will be there. So firstly I will do that index modulus 2 double equal to 0. If it is even, then it will be for you, what you can say, for, let's say it is for the user. So what we will do, return, and what we will do, firstly we will just return a padding. Okay, let me add a padding. Come on, not the capital, yeah, padding. Okay, inside this padding you will find a attribute as children, child, sorry, child, not children, child. uh, One second, let me just remove this padding. Afterwards it will show me. It is not beating its padding, spelling was wrong. Yeah, and inside this we can just find, come on, yeah, you can see that we can find a child. And what we'll do, we will use container, because we know that container has all the property related to styling and all this stuff, so we can use box decoration and other stuff. But for now I'm not using any of those things. So inside this we again have a child, and now what we will do, we will just set the thing as text, and we will say that hi underscore index. Okay, and what we will do, just add a padding, and what will we just set the edge insect only. And for that, what will we will just use right, and it will be 150. I have already played with it, so you can just play around with it again so that you can find how it is working. And what we will do, we will just copy the whole stuff from here, and we'll just paste it. And let me just do like this, and this will be from left. And now what we'll do, we will just set it as not hi, as hello. Okay, and now we will call this chat bubble using the context and index from the place where we are printing this. So we will just pass the chat bubble using context and index place. So let us just rerun and see what we have. Okay, so you can see that currently we have something from left and right, and in order to give it a good look, I will add decoration, and I will add a box decoration. Okay, inside this box decoration I will add border radius as border radius dot circular, and I will add 10, not I will add 15. And in this similar way I will just copy the whole stuff and I will just try to paste it here, uh, and I just have to add a comma. And now what we'll do, I will add a background, sorry, we'll add, we have back shadow. Let me see what we have a color. So let me add colors dot red for this thing, and let me just add colors and colors dot, let me add amber. I'm adding random colors, you can just play around with it. I'm just gonna show you what it is. Okay, you can see that we have something like this. So now what we'll do, we'll add something from bottom will be approximately 20, and similarly for this again we are gonna add bottom and it will be 20. Let us just save it. Okay, you can, it 20 is much more for these things. Okay, well, so now we have something like this, and inside this container what we will do, we'll add padding again so that our text should also have some of the edge insect, and we will go with the all and we will add 10. And inside this also what we will do, we'll add padding and edge insets all value 10. Okay, so now you can see that it is some approximately looking like our uh, chat thing that we have, and you can also add some of this styling if you want to. Okay, and yeah, this is like this. If you want to add some of the padding from the whole stuff, so I think you should wrap the whole thing again into a padding, or you can add this thing into a padding so that this should give like this. Let me see. Yeah, you can see that we have a little bit of what you can say space from our side. If you can just play around with this code, this chat bubble code, in order to add that v structure that we have in our chat app that shows that it is sent by you. Okay, and if you want to send some of the text, then what you can do, you can just send a text again in this chat bubble, and this chat bubble can directly use that that text uh, inside this text field. Okay, so you can just play around with it. So I think it is working in all the chat field because I have added the similar code. Yeah, yeah, it's working fine. So I think you have understand how we can add the chat bubble in our application. In the same way we can just go and create everything that we want. Okay, so in next video I am gonna create some of the styling for the application. Okay, like I'm gonna just create exactly the same thing that we have in our Telegram app. So I'm just gonna leave this thing for time being because I just want you to play around with this whole code so that you can all understand what this code is doing, how our chat structure is being designed, how our WhatsApp chat is being designed, and other stuff. Okay, so if you have any of the questions regarding this, you can just comment me down and I will definitely get back to you on that. So that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.